Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to install mods in Sims. So how to install mods in Sims 4. So first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. You can download mod on your PC or Mac. If it is a zip or REL file, you need to unzip it first. Once you unzip your mod file, you can move it in to your mod folder. You can create one mod folder for yourself. So after creating mod folder, you can easily you can easily place it in your electronic arts folder. So then launch your Sims 4, open the game option and select other. Make sure that enable custom content and mods option are tick or check, so you can relaunch your Sims 4 and your mod should be available in the game. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.